question answer. Children, are you ready for question answer session?
Yes, ma'am, let's start with it.
What was the difference between Prospero and his brother Antonio?
Prospero was a studious and learned scholar and spent most of his time reading books, while Antonio was a treacherous man.
What did Antonio do to become a duke himself?
Antonio got together with Alonso, the king of Naples, who was Prospero's enemy. They took Prospero to sea, and when they were far away from land, they put Prospero and his baby daughter into a broken old boat and sailed away.
What had the faithful Lord Gonzalo done to help Prospero?
Gonzalo secretly placed in the boat fresh water, food, and clothes along with Prospero's valued books.
What good deed did Prospero do on the enchanted island?
He set free the imprisoned spirits, and so the spirits were grateful to him and promised to be ever obedient to his will.
Who was Ariel?
Ariel was the chief of imprisoned good spirits on the enchanted island.
Who were they sailing in the ship close to the enchanted island?
The ship was carrying Alonso, king of Naples, his brother Sebastian, and Antonio, Prince Ferdinand, and Gonzalo.
What were the two reasons for which Prospero raised a great tempest?
Firstly, he wanted to teach Antonio, Alonso, and others a lesson, and secondly, he wanted Ferdinand to get attracted towards Miranda so that she can marry him.
How did Ferdinand get separated from his family?
Ferdinand leaped into the sea from the ship and was separated from his father.
How did Ferdinand and Miranda react to seeing each other?
Ferdinand was astonished to see a beautiful young girl on a desolate island, and Miranda was thrilled to see the handsome young prince.
What gave Prospero a secret pleasure?
Ferdinand and Miranda gazed at each other in wonder, admiration, and love. This gave Prospero a secret pleasure.
How did Ariel save King Alonso's life?
When Antonio and Sebastian were about to kill the sleeping king, Ariel woke him up, saving his life in the nick of time.
What surprise awaited King Alonso when Prospero drew back the curtain?
King Alonso saw his son Ferdinand alive when Prospero drew back the curtain. He had thought that his son was dead. Ferdinand was playing chess with beautiful Miranda.
What could be the reason for Prospero to give up the practice of magic?
Prospero was back again with his people in his kingdom, where his people welcomed him with great love and joy. There was no need for him to take help of magic in his life anymore, so he must have given up the practice of magic.
Retell the happy end in your own words.
Prospero wanted his daughter to marry Prince Ferdinand, and he was happy to see both coming together. Alonso also realized his mistake and was sorry for that. Prospero again regained his position as the king and was very happy. Thus everything was fine in the end and it was happy ending.
Well said. Relation between the characters. Children, now tell the relation between the characters of the story. Prospero and Miranda.
Father and daughter.
Prospero and Antonio.
Brothers.
Gonzalo and Prospero.
Loyal servant and master.
Sycorax and Caliban.
Mother and son.
Alonso and Ferdinand.
Father and son.
Very good.